Cool. Okay. So we are joined with Sheen. Hello. And Hunter. Hi. And they are people like me, I guess. Okay,
But we're
so
not good at the game.
yeah.
No,
Yeah, so we're doing basically fun stuff. We're gonna have suggestions from them on what to do. So what should we do? The big spinner. Yes. Okay. So we're doing the big Sheen has recommended the big boy. Oh my god! Looks got incinerated. Oh wait! You just got the frenzy!
Guys, he died. Now he is back on it. Yay.
You're not a frenzy, is alright? That means we get more money if we go in.
What?
Okay, ignore the fact that the game's glitching and stuff. Okay, let's go over there. Okay, so... Oh my god, that's driving. Bro, I got 200 million! Oh no, it's this guy again. Okay, so on to now what do you do? After that, because then I get more money.
And then soon he needs 30.7 billion.
Wait, I have a freaking car. Wait. Hello guys. You know in the last episode, I said that I wanted the fire truck. I think I just unlocked the fire truck. The game is glitchy. Just ignore it, please. Pretty plus.
Yeah, you can get the fire truck.
Yeah, it's not something hard. Oh, okay. Now, you know what? I'm gonna activate this button. I'm a skilled crusher. Also, the add-on things we're gonna do is not break my legs for once, but then also
How does that work?
I have no idea. Break my legs. Oh, guys, in 3 minutes. 2 minutes actually. This whole place is gonna go doing this, okay?
And you like have to go into that big hole. And then you go on
And then you never come out ever again.
then you go on your head and then you come out and you stop.
And then you die.
Yes. Yes. Yes, yes. You saw it like you had light emerald.
What's flight ever like? Emirates is an airline. And should I tell you what else is an airline? My car. So we did have to make an emergency
Very, very fast. I guess it's
Finally, things are loading.
that's just
We can get the fire truck.
we got the fire truck. We got
Don't ask about the dumb timer down there. It's dumb. It's too dumb. Okay.
We're very dumb.
We got the fire.
We got the fire truck. Wait, you can set fire alarm.
Alarm.
I keep on the alarm. That one.
Okay, so now you know fire trucks. What happens when the fire truck goes in the water?
It's a water truck. They get another fire truck. And all that happens is that fire truck goes in the water. Then they get
No, then they shut their place down and they died. Now we're gonna use this dumb, old, fat, ugly vintage car.
Even though those more better now.
Okay, let's get that car. Very trash car.
That's the Batman. Batman's car. Batman.
You know what? Because this thing is so bad, why the fuck are we done for it? And it isn't gonna survive.
If it's not, then it's not.
But look at the front of this car.
That's where the engine is. But it's very good.
No, the engine is yeah, I was about to say.
Very, very bad. You don't know how very bad. It's not very bad.
You know what? I forgot what's down here. What is this? Is this like shit or something?
It's like literally like a brother.
Basically. Now your car hates its car. Okay, so now we're going to be destroying this place.
Even though it does like million damage one per hit.
Wait, bro, what the hell?
But that's not a big that's a truck. Quite a little.
So guys, I think it's boom boom time. No, I know what I need to do. I need to get rid of boss car. Now that I've got that, my name will always be in the boom boom time message. Yes, that's it.
And that's where you might see him. Look, how did he not break his legs?
How did I not break my legs? Because I am magical.
Yay! Unless he's gonna
Boom boom button. Oh come on! Doing the same thing I did last time. Watch the other video. It isn't fun. No, I said this was going to be a playlist.
He just shoved someone down the
At
stairs.
least he got the money. Sorry about this. Guys, this is the other video. Okay? Hold on.
Why did he turn it on?
Okay, don't worry about that. Sorry that you didn't see the whole story. You have to wait a minute. That's time right there. Until we can go with ejection seat. Or not. See, look, this thing's still right. None of you are mad.
You get like
I need to put YT at the end of my name. What's this?
Oh, YT.
YouTube.
Oh yeah. I thought you meant WT. What does WT mean?
I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna do cool Ferrari car.
Witness two.
And one of my favorites that's probably gonna be in every single episode of the Car Crush. I have a freaking like Ferrari. Treadmill time, boy.
It's getting a while now. And then
I think it's in good music. Oh. No, what is that?
it's a very
Okay, I'm gonna swap with Katcheen. This is it. So now this is Kashin driving. If I crash the car, don't sue me, sue you.
I'm gonna go to a big blast.
No, do something like else. Get out, try it. Oh my god.
He's getting money for students.
Wait, hold on. Can I take back over?
Yes, okay. Back over.
Now, guys, we've got to hit the boom boom button.
Oh yeah.
Yes, because look, if you look up there, the event's over.
And then we run.
I don't know. We'll see now. Okay. Oh god. Okay.
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately.
I'm the best person. I'm flying. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay off. Why did you say 0? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that car there. There. That was cool. Wait, I got the volcano. Yeah, let's go on the volcano. That's the one. Yes! Let's go like a rocky rock.
The button has a zero.
Where is an astronaut?
The island got blue. It's a very blue.
Okay, so now... Well, they're gonna go activate it again. Okay, so now we're gonna do awesome car. Why is that down? Okay. Now we gotta do cool Bugatti Chiron.
In the lava. This is very bad. You think it's gonna be?
Yeah, this car is. I don't like the colors of it.
They kind of low.
I made it.
And kind of what you are finding.
Yeah, I don't get it either. But the last thing we're gonna do today, let's jump to the mega hill. It's the mega hill. Oh no, mega hill.
Microwave.
Tsunami. Machine. Wrecking volcano pit. What the hell is the volcano pit?
Oh, I see. The volcano. Yeah. It's good. Oh my gosh. 152 million. No, 252 million. Don't go in. Help.
Hey, my tires.
We're going back to insane.
I went back to the ice age.
No, he went back to insane Goku. He went to save his time.
Now this thing.
Oh my gosh.
This is the best one. Okay, so now we're gonna go for the
Jumper.
jumper. You know, I'll just reset. It's fine.
very
Okay,
fun.
guys, this is gonna be about the same amount of time as other video.
Yeah. Maybe a bit less, I'm not sure.
Derby of English. We're gonna spend like, I don't know, 3 or 2 minutes here.
What, me?
We need. I'm a pro.
Mm.
Oh god, no, this joke's getting up. What's that? Maybe dealership. Dealership. I'm gonna die.
Dealership.
Go, 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 get this one, get this one. Bro. So it's like white pad.
White house. White house.
Wipe out a sector, wipe them out.
I need it, okay.
Yes, kill them. Ow. Please. We've got 3 wheels. We only need 3 wheels to win. Oh my god. Well, we've got 2 wheels. We've got 2 wheels.
Now he needs 2 wheels to win. If we soon get 1 wheel, we can win.
I can only go in one direction, but I can still kind of turn.
Oh no.
Look at me with my phone.
Like, if
Well, I need to get that done.
and that's the other one. Wait, hold on. What happened?
Right. Okay, I'm just got to go.
Hi everyone.
Bye. Bye. They might maybe make it work. Bye. Bye. Both got anger issues. But why did every time I come there's a massive pile up? Dude. What's that? This is very weird. Ignore the chat, that ain't me. Okay. Bye guys, please. These people are 2D. Bye guys, please like and subscribe or something. Like, subscribe and comment, please. Pretty good.